Hello, today we will guide you through how to move chart in ThinkorSwim. In this walkthrough, you'll learn the simplest ways to shift your view around a chart so you can quickly explore price history and focus on the exact area you want to analyze. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform on your computer. Once it loads, look toward the top of the screen for the Charts section. Select it to bring up the main charting workspace. You should now see the active chart area with price bars or candles, a time axis along the bottom, and a price axis on the right. Click directly on the chart to make sure it's active. You'll know it's selected when you see your cursor respond inside the plotting area and the chart frame looks engaged. This ensures the next controls affect the chart you see. To move through the chart quickly, place your cursor anywhere over it and use your mouse wheel. Scrolling up or down will shift your view. Depending on your settings, the scroll may also zoom you in or out, which changes how much time is visible. If you notice it zooming more than you intend, try smaller scrolls and watch the time scale at the bottom to understand how much history you're viewing. On a trackpad, a gentle two-finger scroll works the same way. This is a fast way to navigate across recent bars or step back through prior sessions. Another useful option is the timeline control below the chart. At the bottom, you'll see a mini time range with a highlighted section indicating the portion currently displayed above. Click to highlight or activate that section so it's clearly selected. Now drag the highlighted area along the timeline to move the visible window left or right. This keeps your zoom level consistent while you reposition the chart across different dates. If the highlighted window is too wide or too narrow, you can adjust its edges to refine how much data you see, then drag the whole selection to scan through history. This lower scroll bar method is especially handy when you want to move a long distance without changing your zoom. Use these two methods together for smooth navigation. Scroll to fine-tune where you're looking, and use the bottom timeline to quickly reposition your view. If the chart jumps more than you like when scrolling, rely on the bottom control for precise shifts. And remember to pause between moves to let the chart redraw cleanly, especially on slower connections. That's it. You've learned how to move a chart in ThinkorSwim using the mouse scroll and the timeline selector below. Happy charting!